How to clear cache on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, is your Android phone running slow or lagging? Well, let's fix that by clearing the cache. And here are the two easy ways. So, the first way is to clear the app cache. So, here simply open the settings, and now here, once inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here inside the apps, tap on manage apps, and in this section you can simply search for any app that you want. And now here, once you're inside the app settings page, you simply have to tap on clear data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on clear cache and confirm it. And this will remove the temporary files and will free up space instantly. And with that, moving forward to the second method, that is to clear the system cache. So here for the full cleanup, you can simply open the settings app again, and now here once you are in this section, you simply have to tap on about phone, and after that you simply have to tap on storage. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the cache data if available, but if not, then you can simply tap on the cleaner option, which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And here you can simply clean up all your temporary files at once. And with that, your phone will feel much smoother. And that's it. Those are the two simple ways to clear cache on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.